Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again, and I am back with one more video on the stocks. So last week I did a video on stocks and I recommended a couple of stocks, and that got a lot of love. People enjoyed watching it and people encouraged me to do more stocks video. So here I am with a brand new stocks video. So I am going to keep this video short and to the point. So I am only going to recommend two stocks for this week or for short term, and that's it really. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before we do, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. So the first stock that I have for you guys is none other than SBI. If you notice carefully, SBI has been very bullish over the past few weeks or even the past few months. It has been doing tremendously well, outperforming all the other bank stocks. Even today it has reached the all-time high of 439 rupees. It is the 52-week high and SBI has finally done it. It has hit the mark, and today the stock has closed 2% higher than yesterday. So here I'm just going to read the chart for a bit and recommend you this stock for intraday or for short term. Remember, Goldman Sachs has also recommended this stock and has given a target price of 610 rupees. So if you are also investing for like short term for a few months, then you can also buy this stock with a target price of 610 rupees. Let's read the chart for a little bit. So it opened at 436 and it was trying to break even and fell flat for a few hours, and then it did finally break and went up, and then it took another dip and went down and made a small V towards the end and just settled towards the 439 mark. Everything in this stock indicates that it's very bullish. It can go even further. It can break 450. If it breaks 442 at this point, if you see the trajectory, there's a very good possibility that it will break the 44, 40, 442 mark. And if it does break 442, it cannot be stopped. It has to reach 450. There is really no resistance after this. This is the point of resistance right now. So I would say just check if it hits 442 and it stays there, because this can go either way. It is very bullish, but if you're trying to do intraday tomorrow, then there's a possibility it will go down because it has increased quite a bit. The profit booking will slowly come in and it can go down a little bit. But if you are going for short term, then you don't need to invest tomorrow. Invest next week and surely you will find a better price and you can then hold it. So on buy side, I will give you an entry price of 442. Just make sure that the fundamentals of the chart is very strong, it's getting good volume. Only then invest at the 442 mark. If it crosses or if it stays at 442 for a while. And you can put the stop loss at 438 or something. It depends, and the target price should be 450. It can reach 450, I believe it can, or else you can put the first target at 446 and then see if it goes further and goes to 450. And on the sell side, which is very likely, this time it's very likely that you might need to short sell this stock to gain, especially tomorrow. On the sell side, it can drop up to 430 based on my calculations. If you see the 5-day average, the lowest it has hit is 420 rupees and then it has slowly gone up. It's even very hard to see where the supports are because it has been so bullish. It has almost taken a lot of gap ups in between this last 5 days. So I think if you short sell, it can go down to 430. So if it goes down to around the 435 mark, it means that it will probably go down even more. If the profit booking comes in, it will come in very early in the morning and it will just go down from there. So that was SBI, and I have another stock for you guys. The next stock that I have for you all is Technoblast. Now I know the pipe sector isn't the most booming sector, but this stock has given quite a good return this last few months. If you notice carefully, in the last few months Technoblast has gone from around 50 rupees to now 86 rupees. The stock right now is very bullish. It has very good momentum. If you are going to invest for short term, you can put a target of 110 rupees. If you are going to do intraday, it can work very well. If you see the chart today, you will see that it was quite falling flat for a while and it was trying to break, but then it took a dip and then it took the support at the 86.30 mark and then it tried to go up again. But it's still trying to break even. It's still trying to either go up or go down. But I think the stock has very good momentum, so it will go up. It will go up around at least 6 rupees, but it can also go down. So I will give you both entry prices on the sale and on the buy price. Okay, so on buy side the entry price should be 87 to 88 rupees. You can take entry at 87 rupees with a target of 90 rupees and then the next target of 93 rupees. On the sell side, you can enter at around 85 with a target of 82 and a stop loss of 87. So I will definitely bring you more stocks either this week or next week, and I will bring you more suggestions on intraday or swing trades, more tips, everything. So this is it from today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please put a thumbs up down there and please subscribe the channel if you haven't already. This is Orkopal Das signing off.